Introducing Crazy Words, the game that's all about making sense out of nonsense. Use your imagination to make up a pretend word.
Liver. Ons.
Pra. No real words allowed.
It is a yoga pose.
Yeah.
Then see who can match your crazy word to the correct topic. First, draw a topic card. Now pick your letters. Make up a word to match your topic. Be creative. Get crazy. Try to make up a word that sounds like it could be real. Now it's time to guess. See which players correctly matched the crazy word with the topic card. Earn a point for each correct match.
Obviously, Ruga is an Australian marsupial.
Yes.
The word creator also receives a point for every player who guesses their word correctly. After 6 rounds, the player with the highest score wins! Crazy Words, family fun for ages 10 and up, from Ravensburger.